Okay, so we got this VU meter. Requires a little bit of assembly. Got to solder these in spots. So I got the iron heating up right now. I'm going to do that. We'll take a look at it. Okay, so I got it all soldered together. Didn't take long. And then I've got these two little tiny IEMA speakers hooked up to this cheapo Kinter amp. So I've got the speakers on the second set of speakers, and then the it's a 4-channel amp, so left and right, and then a left and right going to each one of them, as well as 12 volts coming into here, obviously with negative, and then the positive coming to the red line in there. So let's go ahead and turn on, send that out. We're getting something. Let's see, where's volume? Yep. So, looks good actually for a cheapo little VU meter. It's got a button somewhere on there. Let's see. Those are different modes. Pretty sensitive. Looks like we're getting definitely more signal to the one channel, which is not surprising. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to switch between these different modes. In any event, next step is to put it on the boombox project. But otherwise, looks pretty good. Run it on 12 volts. Alright, take care. Hope all is well.